Hello everybody. How you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard, man. Yeah. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Now, today I'm gonna do for you brown stew chicken. Get it right here. Brown stew chicken. Over here, welcome to my masterpiece. If you're new to my channel, Jessie. Zoom in. I have inside of my Jessie here, I have some chicken oil that has been eaten, right? But just fry off a few pieces, few wedges of Irish potato. Where as I go along, you're going to see how I'm going to use my Irish potato. I have a few strips and pieces of carrots there where I'm going to use. Right inside here, I have my chicken, 2 leg and thigh quarters, or 2 leg quarters, or we call them leg and thigh down here in Jamaica. Get right in. Remember, I tell you, season your chicken how you want. Season your chicken with whatever seasoning you like, right? But family, please try to go slow on the powdered seasonings. More herbs. Alright. Inside here, I have my chicken. I mostly use, I have thyme, garlic. We're going to link what we use, right? Because right now we don't have a lot of scallion, because the scallion are going bad from there. I don't buy scallion for them money. Right? So, we'll scrape off with excess. You notice I use no whole of this and that, you know. My tell you I'm going to link it. So, but season your chicken how you want to. Right? What am I to tell you what to use? But I'm just showing you what I use. And I'm going to link. So, the color of my chicken, no browning, no soy sauce. So, we're going to get right in. Let your oil be properly hot. And we're going right in. Inside down. But be careful, family. Careful. Right? Try to use a heavy bottom skillet or a Dutch pot. So, we're putting the chicken right in. And we're going to brown them off. Because we're doing brown stew chicken. Right? So try. Careful. Hold on this one. Get a rinse off of my hand. Right here. So we want to stick them in a way that them can get into the oil and brown. Now, they are in there and they are browning. The trick now to how I do my brown stew, flame up, I am going to cover my pot meanwhile my chicken is browning. It is browning and it is steaming at the same time. That simply means when one side is properly brown, I'm gonna flip to another side, right? And do the same, make it brown now. Okay? Depending on how strong your flame is, it might take maybe a 6 or 7 minutes on each side to get it properly brown to how I want it. So we're going to brown them off on each side, and when we return, you will see how me gravy down my chicken. Because while it is browning, it is steaming, and you won't have to just have this whole heap of water and constant whole heap of water boil long and boil long and boil on the chicken. So family, you're going to see how me do my thing when we return. So it is there. One more time, give them a shot. It is there inside here. When it's finished browning, because you notice we add in oil, so you have to have enough oil to let it brown. But when it's finished browning on one side and you turn to the other and it's finished browned off, you can scoop out the excess oil that you don't really need. And family, you can't leave back your chicken oil to cook chicken again. I want to tell you something. You know, you'll probably process it, how we call it, recycle it 2 or 3 times. It make your chicken taste nicer. So you just have a little thing on your stove and your excess oil, you scoop it out. When you're cooking chicken again, you can use it. Probably another, you can recycle it 2 or 3 times. You don't have to use fresh oil every time you're cooking your chicken, because the old time seasoned chicken oil gives it a nicer flavor. Yeah man, so we brown them off on each side. Yeah, it's them start to take color. And when we return, They will be properly browned off on each side. I'm going to show you how me gravy down my chicken, which is brown stewed chicken. Yeah. So family, soon come back. Yeah, my little YouTube family, we are back. Yeah man, we'll come back and we're going to write in. Okay? Write in, get right in. Remember, zoom right in. This is how we look. And remember, I tell you, you can take out the excess oil, so I've gone ahead, take out some of my excess oil, I'm going to notch up my flame. So then, they're almost cooked, because while they were browning, they were steaming. So they are so soft, succulent, nice. So them, zoom right in, see it? See it? You see it? See it, family? See it? See it? When you squeeze it, you know, see the bloody water come out, so that means it's almost ready. Alright. I have some carrot here. I'm going to put in some. Might not all to the amount of chicken. Just a little, you know? Yeah. I'm going to scoop out, flame up, I'm going to scoop out the seasoning that I use to season the chicken. Right? I'm adding some fresh one, the same thing. Thyme. Family, me have some frozen scallion, a frozen scotch. I did freeze them and have them at either time. That is how I do it, you know. When me see it enough, and I always freeze some. So like how it's expensive now, I have it. I'm going to have a peg of garlic on my crush. I'm going to have some smashed ginger. So I'm going to spray clean everybody. Remember, I'm going to flame up and all of that. Flame up to the max. And we're going to use the water. And we're going to rinse out the original seasoning. So, and you're going to try to throw it to the side. Alright? Spinning around, going right around in here. Get it right in. We can turn over upon another side, turn over upon the other side. Try to use fresh thyme, family. Fresh thyme. If you don't have no fresh one, you have to use the dry one, fine. But the fresh one gives the brown stew chicken a better flavor. Alright, we have some pimento seed. We're going to put in a few seeds. Remember, you know, you see, I'm not putting no whole heap of water, so that in there and it's steaming down. Right? So as it steams and go through, you turn over again continuously. You see the color that you're getting continuously. Alright, now your carrot down in there cooking. You don't want your carrot then cook till then get soft. Well, if you want your one to cook till it gets soft, fine. But not for me. Okay. We have some, we're going to start flavor up now, family. We have some worcestershire sauce and we're going to put in probably about a tablespoon. We have some fish and meat sauce, is the last of it. So we're going to get a little water in our bottle. You know that's enough, family. So shake out the bottle and you put in your fish and meat sauce. Look at it. Alright, and we're going to put in some ketchup to give it a little sweet taste. Put as much as you want because the ketchup is going to help to give it some body. Right. But nobody overpower it with the ketchup, family. We're going to get right in. Look at it. And you're stirring around. You're stirring around. Right? And you turn over your chicken. Family, you have to get it. The video might be a little lengthy, but this is the way to go. You want to learn to do it the proper way. So look at it. Look at it. Get right in. At this stage, you're going to lower your flame. Alright? Right over here, I have some Irish potato when I did brown off at that time. So we're going to drop them right in there. Right? We're going to start with the spoon And we're going to spoon up with gravy. We're going to get the Irish potato down. Right? Turn over your chicken. Wow, it's so succulent. Right? Turn over your chicken as you go along. That nobody, no side, no miss the thing. Flame up. Yup. And we're gonna pour in a little water. Okay? 2 stir. 2 stir. Spoon on some of your gravy. Gravy, we are gravy down, you know. Spoon on some of your gravy. On top of your chicken. Flame down. Flame down to a little less than medium. Alright? We're going to leave that there. No longer than about a minute, or about a minute the most. Look at it. So you spoon over your gravy. You're in on it. And you, at this point, you can put away your thing them. So you spoon over your gravy. And now, you're going to taste for salt, perfection, and for flavor. A long time me I do this in a family. Long time me I do this. I wish you all were here to taste this. One more time. A long time me I do this. I can't go wrong on this. Yup. The ketchup give that nice little taste. And look at it. I'm not put no browning. I'm not put no soya sauce. Yeah? So, in another 45 or probably about a minute the most, we can plate. Put the camera up on. Let me get for clean up. Let me do some cleaning up here. Meanwhile, me get the area clear. If you're new to my channel, as I said before, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you think you like this video, you can do so. I'd be grateful and I would thank you. Please leave your comments below. Try not to be mean, although I know say mean they all over, but guess what? We can't angle everything, you know. Right? Turn on your notification, the same thing as clicking the bell. And remember to share the videos with your friends, with your co-workers, with your family. Okay? We're going to go in our pot right here so now, because listen to my family, it is like plating time just to know. Alright. Right in. See the family? My Irish potato them. See them? Them cook. Yeah? Put the camera. Irish potato cook. Ready. Brown stew chicken. Finish. We're gonna plate. So, you're gonna get off, especially the time. We're gonna take off the excess time and them something. We're gonna try to get rid of them. Because we are gonna plate. Careful enough, family. Your Dutch pat bottom round, careful. You can get off your excess scallion if you want. Me not take them off in because scallion is herbs. So what we use herbs for? To spice up our lives. Get right in. So, you want some of your Irish potato get in. Yeah? Cook down and have the same color of the chicken. You can add, you know it different from the chicken. Yeah? You want some of your carrot pieces. Yep. And if you want, you can prims up your scotch chip on top. And you want, most of all, you want this gravy. Most of all, you want this gravy. As you go along, you can pick out your pimento seeds. Most of all, This is what you want. Your gravy. We're going to clean up a plate, family. There you have it. From my kitchen to yours. Brown stew chicken from West Indian Delights. Make we clean up the plate properly. Brown stew chicken from West Indian Delights. Listen to me. Remember I said if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I love you all. Love you. Thank you all for your little support. They're coming in one by one. All my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you, thank you all my YouTube family. Thank you so much. I love you all. And from my kitchen to yours once more, it's brown stew chicken. Enjoy. Listen me man, I dey be from down a yard. Remember Father's Day and I'm gonna hear nothing I go on.